Circular saw blades are made of materials such as diamond, high-speed steel, and hard alloy. We are currently producing diamond saw blades, using a laser machine to cut saw blade shapes from steel plates. The advantages of laser cutting are fast speed, narrow cutting seam, good verticality of cutting seam, and smooth cutting edge. The saw blade that completes the cutting needs to have grooves pressed out on both sides. There is a temperature difference during the operation of the circular saw blade. The temperature of the serrated part is higher than that of other parts. The function of the groove is to reduce shaking. The next step is to press and stretch the roller. The symmetrical concave effect of the saw blade is the best, and its function is to counteract the centrifugal force during operation. After processing, the probability of accident hazards can be reduced. The next step is polishing, grinding, and quenching. These are diamond serrations, made by sintering diamond micropowder and metal. Next is welding. First, apply solder paste on the diamond serrations. These are all fully automated operations of the machine, as the operation is highly repetitive and requires high precision. If it is done manually, there will be significant errors, and later grinding polishing will be very troublesome. If it is done manually, there will be significant errors, and later grinding polishing will be very troublesome. The welding method is brazing, which uses electromagnetic induction to heat the serrations and melt the solder paste for welding. Using hard welding can prevent sawtooth detachment. Sandblasting cleaning of surfaces can enhance material strength. Next, use an automatic grinder to grind the serrations, remove welding errors, and ensure that each serration has a consistent angle. This is beneficial for smooth operation, and after completion, we will manually adjust it using a level gauge for measurement. If there are any asymmetrical areas that need to be adjusted by tapping, after completion, it will enter manual quality inspection, and the fine seams on the saw blade have a soundproofing effect. After passing the quality inspection, use a laser marking machine to engrave specifications and the logo.